Ekubingelele ngibukele campaign engikwamukele futhi ohlelweni lethi SK Media Production. Ngicela umusa le channel uklike subscribe button kanye nebell. Kanti futhi ungakhohlwa lapho nokucinisa like button. Ngaphandle kokuthi simoshe isikhathi senganza kwethu wesiqonde ngqo wasikuphathe zona namhlanje.
Isikhalo sami bafowethu sithi nje ngafa indlala lokwavalwa ngonyaka odlule angisebenzi so ke sidinga ukuthi uhulumeni asivulele nathi sisebenze sikwazi ukondla imindeni bafowethu sithenge nedatha kulele ngizwe FM angeneki idatha yikho
ukuthi impilo zabo aboshwa ubhinqithupha aboshwe ngenxa yokuthi alwela inkululeko yethu nama-artist ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi mangabe isimo sibhekene naso sinje sasafihla manje asafihlile manje into ebalulekile njengamanje yenzakalayo sifuna uhulumeni angavula izwe alokhu kangcobe kuvale nje izwe nemali okwathiwa yokugula ikhona kwayona iyabiwe manje-ke okusho ukuthi thina besishayela bona ihlombe namaphoyisa sicela ukuthi asiphumelele njalo kancane ngoba sizubulela lutho sisudistroya lutho. We are demonstrating our freedom right, our constitutional right ukuthi sizolwela ukulamba kwethu eswini akasithiwa sithole futhi phasela sithole lutho sinikwe zothu ubhobho abasingabazi ukuthi siwabenzani ekubeni siyazathi phela thina ibhizinisi leli we are on our own here. If you are an artist, you are independent, you are on yourself. You need to push your brand in order to gain, to earn a living. Therefore, enough is enough. Today is the last day we are speaking about this. The next move, the country must be opened.
Umyalezo onganika umthetho umphathi art and culture.
Unyambo usuyakwazi afanele kwenza awukho ngisho umlayezo afanele ungawenzi ngoba sinaye koWhatsApp sinayo yonke indawo uyakwazi afanele kwenza unyambosi kodwa ngeke ngihlale ngaye yedwa unyambosi engathi ngisiphukuphuku ngihlakaniphile nami I'm a politician. There are a collective people, they are the collective people, so they must all sit together and take a right decision for us as an artist. Now umthetho into angasicethenzi iyodwa ukuthi asimele laphana, he must represent us, he must leave us in our absentia.
Sizolwa abalungelo ethu thina njengabaculi kungavalwa ngathi izwe alivulwa abaculi laba baboshiwe asazi ukuthi baboshelweni ngoba baphumela iqiniso into abayaziyo ukuthi sizokwenzani la sizosebenzisebenzela ingane zethu nathi uhulumeni akasicabangele.
Protect us during the COVID-19 period. But now, when we hear that so much has been lost, 500 billion is gone without us getting help and it has been stolen. No one is arrested and we are still hungry. So we say enough is enough. Today is a D-Day. So we cannot have an artist being arrested for nothing and criminals are free out there eating our money, eating the people's money. So we want Nasim Jedwa and the president to represent us in the Command Council and tell the whole Command Council that we want freedom to us. We want 70% and show peace.